Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, I have come with a very interesting story for you all. The name of the story is The Jackal and the Drum. This is the third chapter of your enrichment reader book, and it is a very nice story. You all will love listening to this story. So, are you all ready for the story? Here comes the story for you all. Once upon a time, there lived a jackal in a huge jungle. He was very hungry. Can you all see there is a jackal? And he lives in a big forest and he was very hungry. Due to some reasons, he was not able to find enough food or any animal that he could have killed for his food. Now he thought, what has happened to other animals? If I don't find food for myself, I will die of hunger. And as days passed, he started getting weaker and weaker, and this started troubling him. Yes, since he was not able to find food for himself, the jackal started getting weaker and weaker. And this situation created problem for the jackal. He started crying. He started crying because he is very hungry. Then he thought, let me again search the forest for the food. And when he was searching the forest for the food, he heard some strange sounds. Grum, grum, grum. He thought, what is that noise? He shouted, who is there? Who is there? The noise seemed louder and louder. He thought maybe it is another big animal or a hunter who is as hungry as I am. And if I will be seen by the person making all this noise, I will be in trouble. Now the jackal got scared and thought of running away. Now the jackal was very afraid and he thought of running away. He started running for his life. He ran and ran and suddenly stopped and thought, I am a brave animal. I should not be afraid. And then he thought, it is so foolish to run away from something without knowing about it. So, can you see this jackal? Now he thought that I should not run away from the problem. Rather than I should know about it. I should find it. What the real problem is. I must first see who is making that noise. Then the jackal moved in the direction from where the noise was coming. He saw a big drum. Can you all see? Such a big drum under the tree. And then the jackal said, ah, this is what that is making the noise. Ah, it's just the branches of the tree that are hitting the drum, and because of the wind, such sound is coming. Can you all see? Now this jackal is not afraid of the strange sounds. He understood that the strange noise was coming because of the wind. Because of the wind, the branches of the tree are hitting the drum and the strange sound is coming. Now the jackal enjoyed banging the drum. He started playing with the drum. And since the jackal was very hungry, he started his search for the food. And after searching for some more time, he found the food and water and thought, now I will not be hungry. And the jackal started enjoying the food. So, children, can you see this jackal? He is enjoying the food. And this jackal is also very proud of himself. Why? Because instead of running from the problem, he tried to find out the real cause of the problem. He tried to find out what the real problem was. And once he started searching for the problems from where that strange sound was coming, he identified that because of the wind, that strange sound was coming. I hope, children, you all have enjoyed this story. Even I enjoyed this story. Yes, and the message behind the story was really beautiful. So now, what we have learned from the story, that we will not run away from any situation. We will find out the real cause of the problem. Okay? So now, if you hear some strange sounds, you will not be scared. You will not hide yourself behind the curtains, or you will not hide yourself under the bed. You will find out what the real problem is. Okay?
So, children, now let us know the meanings of some difficult words from the chapter The Jackal and the Drum. The first word is wandering. And what is the meaning of the word wandering? Wandering means moving from place to place without any clear purpose or direction. Yes, in the story, we saw that the jackal was hungry and he was wandering in search of food. He was moving from one place to another because he did not have any particular way to go. He did not know where the food is. So he was just wandering, he was just searching, he was moving from one place to another. The sentence on wandering can be Little Red Riding Hood was wandering in the jungle. Little Red Riding Hood was wandering in the jungle when she lost her way. Okay, so now the next word is strange. And what is the meaning of the word strange? Strange means something which is not heard or seen before. Strange means something which is not heard or seen before. For example, in the story we saw that the jackal heard some strange noise. The noise which he had never heard before. And the sentence on strange can be, a strange man came to my house. Yes, a strange man means a person, a man whom I never have heard before. A person whom I have never seen before, I have never heard of that person before, came to my house. So, a strange man came to my house. Next word is scared. And the meaning of the word scared is frightened. Frightened means dar jana. So, scared means frightened. The sentence can be, I am scared of darkness. I am scared of darkness. Yes, for example, in the story also we saw that the jackal was scared of the strange noise. Yes, jackal was scared of strange noise. Yes, so the sentence on scared can be, I am scared of darkness. Now the next word is trouble. And the meaning of the word trouble is difficulty or a problem. Difficulty or a problem. Yes, jackal thought that he may land into trouble. He may land into a problem or difficulty if he don't run away from there. Yes, a sentence on trouble can be, if I don't study regularly, I will be in trouble. If I don't study regularly, I will be in trouble. So children, I hope you all have understood the chapter. Yes, now your homework is that you have to read the chapter And how many times will you read the chapter? 2 times. How many times will you read the chapter? 2 times. Okay? So bye bye children. Bye bye.